Introducing yourself and tell us what about your works. So I've been seeing you painting.
Okay.
How much does it cost you to paint live painting? How much time does it cost you, and what do you gain from it?
Okay. Nasuru from Uganda. Yeah, though I use Snapchat as my signature and as my Facebook page and Instagram. Yeah, I come from Uganda. I like art. I love live painting because it's my passion.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, art is my talent. Yeah, because I have a bachelor's in social work and social administration, but then I'm into art. Yeah, so I like it because I earn a living. I like it because at least it brings out the best of me. Yeah, I enjoy touching the hearts of the people around me. Yeah.
Is it inherited to you because you say that you have studied social work, if I understand well? How comes being an artist that can paint a living painting like that?
Oh yeah, it's all about passion. I can't say talent much, but it's all about passion and hard work. If you have the passion and hard work, then you can be the best in art. Yeah, so I've managed to do this because I did it before, and besides that, my family too, the all majority are into art, so they motivated me, they built me up. That's why I'm this way, however much I didn't study the art stuff.
Yeah, every profession is very works and money. So yeah. Let's talk about income. How do you earn money from that live painting?
I earn money because first of all it's amazing. Yeah, because it's not popular to many people. Many people, artists don't do that. So to me, at least when people see it, they will feel like really we have to go in for this. And assuming it's you, assuming I've drawn you, then you come to me and you're like, really, can I take my painting because you've seen me draw it live? Yeah, so you earn money in that. At times you auction the piece. After drawing, you auction it, and people will come in for it because they have seen you doing it on spot.
For like how much money you have got, and you say this is like this is amazing. I didn't expect this.
I've got some good money in millions. Yeah, I've got 5 million in one piece, 4 million in one piece. So it's a passion. I like it because it brings in income, though I use my talent and the knowledge.
So how long does it cost you to tell? How long can it take you to paint? Like when you see me like here, we are together live.
Okay.
How long can it take to you to paint me? At least like 1 minute. You can paint someone, or
yeah, in 1 minute you can see a sketch of you, right? And then with time, maybe, because to me I paint according to time.
Sure.
Yeah, so if the thing is kind of very low and they need it in hurry, then I will be very fast because I'm one of the fastest artists in Uganda. So I do that, I enjoy it. Yeah, so that's why I do everything.
Okay. From your experience of live painting, what are, maybe not many, but you meet some challenge? Maybe painting according to the size. There is a big man with that you can't paint in 1 minute, and there is a short man. So what is some challenge you meet? But I guess there are not many.
There are not many.
Yeah.
Time is a challenge.
Yeah.
Though I strive as much as I can on any live painting to do my best till I finish it. But time could be the challenge I could face. Yeah.
So as we are going to our conclusion, what advice do you give to the public, especially youth? Because youth, not only in Rwanda, not only in Uganda, not only in Kenya, youth, for African youth, are requiring about job opportunities. And hence, you are doing what you have never studied. What can you tell them about encouragement?
Okay. I would encourage them to go in for the hands-on stuff, because really you go in for your passion. For those who can do football, make sure you're the best. For those who can come into art, make sure you're the best. And for those who can do anything, even if it's farming, do anything as long as the government is providing you the atmosphere to create your own jobs. So you need to create your own jobs. And for those youths who are out there, I urge you, just you can be the best, you can be the greatest. Because to me, like I told you, right now, if I'm talking with artists, we talk. Those with professionals, right?
Yep.
So what you do, make it wow to everybody. Make everybody think that you're the best.
Yep.
You can be the greatest out there in anything you do. So never sit down and you're like, oh no, I went to school, I went to university, and I now want to wait for people to call me, take in my CVs and get jobs. No, do anything you can. Develop it, make it good for people, and they will come in for you. Yeah.
Everyone who can see your live painting can see something like creativity and innovation.
Yeah.
Does creativity help people to earn money?
Yeah, creativity helps very much in anything. Even if you're going to dress up, if you're not creative, you may end up crashing the colors. So creativity is a key.
Okay.
Yeah.
We thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.